Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a technical look at the euro versus US dollar. Today's date, March 23rd. 2016. I'm going to start off by taking a look at the daily chart, and as you can see here, we tested this top sign trend line not once, not twice, but 3 or 4 times here. And in last week's trading, we could not get above that top side trend line. So over the last 4 days, we've seen the market move further to the downside, 4 straight days to the downside. Not running away, but definitely on the way in the downward direction. Now let's take a look at the hourly chart, and we can see what that move to the downside looks like from that perspective. And if we were to draw channel trend lines, easier said than done, we have these tests of the topside trend line. Today didn't quite get that close, same as yesterday. So we're moving away, and actually we're trading right near the lows, if not making new lows, and trading here today. In addition, off this chart, what do you notice about the 50% retracement? This is the 50% retracement of this move from the pre-FOMC low right there to the high. That low right here, by the way, bottomed against the 200-hour moving average. What do we notice about that 50% retracement? Well, over the last 5 or 6 hours, the market has been able to use that level as a ceiling. It also comes at a nice round level around the 112 level. Remember, I mentioned the 200-hour moving average here, how the market bounced. Well, we are also below that 200-hour moving average. No wonder we're seeing more selling pressure as we speak. In fact, making new lows, currently trading at 111.78. So what this is telling us is that we have the potential to move lower here. Our range for the day for the euro versus US dollar is only about 44 or 45 pips currently at the moment, maybe a little bit longer, about 48 pips right now. And that is very narrow for the euro versus US dollar. So there is room to roam. Where could we go? Well, I'm going to drag my Fibonacci now that we've moved below that 50% all the way down to this low right here. And two of the areas that are two levels that are important to me here on the downside with that knowledge is this lower side trend line, the channel trend line, and also the 38.2% retracement of this move up from this low to this high. And so those become our targets in trading here today. As long as the price remains below the 112 level, maybe even below this topside trend line at 112.09, then we should see the price start to drift down and head down toward this 111.42, maybe 111.37 or so is the bottom side trend line right here. That's where we would look for the market to find some support buyers in trading here today. So the euro is looking a little bit more bearish here, as long as we stay below that 112 level. And if we stay below that level, then we have the potential to head on down toward the 1140-ish type level. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.